Here's another really smart new arrival. This is an Audi A3 Sport Edition. It's a 2013 on a 62 plate with front fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, nice and bright silver. It's a 1.6 TDI, so it delivers up to 76 miles per gallon, and it's only £20 a year road tax. Split rear seats and rear parking sensors. Plenty of room in the back, and the rear seats have Isofix. Sport seats in the front, and centre armrest. Electric windows all round. Steering wheel audio controls. Stereo CD with auxiliary input. And dual climate control. With only 69,000 miles, it's on sale for $6,475, with finance available and part exchanges welcome. For more information, visit us at nextcar.co.uk or call 01463 263 600.